Welcome, gardeners. Let's see what's new at Gorilla Easy Connect. Come on.
Introducing the new Gorilla Easy Connect Easy Soaker Cut and Connect Hose Kit. With the Easy Soaker Cut and Connect Kit, you can design and create customized water systems for plant, flower, and vegetable gardens, raised planters, large pots, greenhouses, and more. To get started with your Easy Soaker system, you will need scissors or a box cutter to cut the hose length to size. You may also need a pair of pliers to gently tighten connectors if you have limited hand strength or mobility. Before cutting hoses and attaching couplers, you'll need to plan how the Easy Soaker system will be laid out. Now that you have your plan, you can cut hoses and attach couplers. Watch how quick and easy it is to assemble and use your Easy Soaker Cut and Connect Hose Kit. First, attach the male quick connect to the spigot or your garden hose. Next, attach the regulator with the integrated female quick connect to the green hose. Then attach the coupler to the end of the green hose. Now attach the coupler to the black soaker hose and attach the end coupler to the black soaker hose. Finally, attach the Quick Connect regulator to the male Quick Connect. The Easy Soaker Cut and Connect system is made with all brass components and is compatible with all our Quick Connect products. Each kit comes with a full 1-year warranty. Use water more efficiently with the Gorilla Easy Connect Easy Soaker Cut and Connect Kit. Get yours today at Gorilla Easy Connect.